Hello, everyone, and welcome again to Eucharistic Miracles. If many of you all don't know, this is one of the Eucharistic miracle where people couldn't receive the communion, they couldn't receive the Eucharist, but their zeal was so much to receive our Lord in the Eucharist that angels from heaven came, and sometimes Jesus Himself came and He gave the communion. Now, some of us may think that this is only possible with saints. This is only possible in olden times. It is not possible today. It's mostly not possible in common people. But here we have someone who, while I was explaining the miracle, actually told me that this happened to her at one instance. Sylvia Auntie, can you share with us this?
Yeah, so it so happened that I had a commitment on Wednesday at my prayer meeting, and I did not realize. Generally, when I have my commitment, I go in the morning for mass, and when I realized in the evening, oh, that I have to be on stage with the music ministry, that is the time I was like confused what to do. But I wanted to go for mass because I wanted to have that union. I know at Holy Communion we have that union with Christ. So I was in a dilemma what to do, what to do. I said, Lord, what to do? But then I felt within me that I should go for my commitment because there nobody there to replace me. So I said, reluctantly, I went for my commitment. And after I went for my commitment, during worship, I didn't know, but I just felt a hand with a red, small little heart. And I automatically opened my mouth and I received it, but I didn't know the significance of all this. I said, Lord, what is this? And I felt the Lord telling me that this is my heart. He said, what is it that you receive at communion? It's my heart, basically. And at that point of time, I didn't know that it was the heart of Jesus. But when I read the scientific analysis of the Eucharistic miracles, there one of the analysis spelled out this fact that it is a part of the heart of Jesus. So, in all humility, I thank the Lord for this experience, and I want to share this experience to you all so that it's not only, I know I'm a chief of all sinners, like Paul, I would like to say that, but I know that it's not only meant for saints, it's meant for common people like me and you. So, I would say don't miss out on the Eucharist a single day. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.